is running out for your chance to take home the keys to Frosty. It's my 2018 Ford F250 Limited. Sitting pretty on a 14-inch elevate lift with coilovers in the front. 28x16 Liberty Forge wheels for 38 1650 Fury tires. Got a brand new 2020 front end. Big ass cowl hood, color match headlights and taillights. Inside's got a fully loaded limited leather interior with massage seat, iPad dash, 600-piece Starlight headliner kit thanks to FCK light bars, and a big sub box underneath the rear seat. Custom piping under the engine bay, Rocklights, train horns, and so much more. Not only do you get the title and the keys to the truck, you also get $10,000 in cash to do whatever you want with. All you have to do to get entered is click the link above or in the description below today. Super simple, and take advantage of our ×3 entry multiplier for a limited time. That means $25 normally get you 10 entries, you're going to be getting 30. So take advantage of that sale and get entered today. And who knows, on April 20th, I might be giving you a call, telling you to come pick up your new truck. Good luck.